Question for you. What's the biggest leak in most plumbing businesses? It's not in the pipes. It's in the paperwork. Meet Dan. He runs a small plumbing crew. Schedules on paper, invoices after dinner, constant phone calls. 1 week, 2 jobs got double booked. $3,000 invoice went missing. The customer, gone. That's when Dan realized his business wasn't leaking water, it was leaking time and profit. So he switched to a digital system, scheduling, dispatching, and invoicing all in one place. Now his techs update jobs from their phones, QuickBooks syncs instantly, and every job ends with a paid invoice before they leave the driveway. He didn't hire more people, he just stopped wasting hours. Stop leaks, start scaling.